Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Kitchen Tonic. Welcome back to another brand new video on the channel here. In this video here today, we're going to be making some nice tasty potato salad. As you see on your screen here, I already have my potatoes that I went ahead and boiled, and I went ahead and cut them into cubes. We also have some mayonnaise over here and some eggs. So what I went ahead and did with this potato here, I went ahead and boiled them for about 20 to 25 minutes, give or take, until it's nice and soft. I then went ahead and cut them into cubes, as you see on your screen here. And here we are right now. Over here I have 1¼ cups of mayonnaise, as well as 3 boiled eggs that we're going to be using for this recipe here as well. Alright guys, so what we're going to go ahead and do now, I'm going to go ahead and cut my eggs up into smaller chunks or smaller pieces. And we're just going to place them into the bowl here, and I went ahead and boiled my eggs here for about 7 to 8 minutes. Alright guys, and the thing with making potato salad, you don't want to be turning it too much, so you want to give this a nice small turn. So we're going to give it one turn for the first time to mix the mayonnaise here into the potatoes. Alright guys, after you finish mixing your mayonnaise into your potatoes here, we're going to go ahead and add some peas and carrots. And what I'm using here is a 15-ounce can of peas and carrots that we're going to be mixing into this bowl here. I'm also going to be using some celery stalks or some celery stems that I went ahead and chopped here. And this is about 1/4 cup of celery that we're going to be using here. Alright guys, we're also going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard into our potato salad here as well. I'm also going to be squeezing a little bit of lime juice into my potato salad here also. And this is about 1 teaspoon that we're going to be placing in here. We're also going to go ahead and add about 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar into this bowl here. And like I said, we're not mixing everything. We're not going to be mixing our bowl here too often because we don't want our potatoes to become mashed potatoes. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and give this a mix now. And you want to go ahead and fold your ingredients into the bowl. You don't want to go ahead and just blindly stir your bowl here because like I said, you don't want this to turn into mashed potatoes. Alright guys, at this point you can go ahead and give it a taste test, and you can add salt or black pepper based on your taste or your liking. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper into mine. Alright, and that's about it for this video here guys. That's about it for this recipe here today. Quick, simple and easy recipe as long as you've got all the ingredients. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And be sure to join me another time, another day, for another brand new recipe.